everyone, Shannon, Rafa here, and Rudder. Just wanted to do a quick video and a little update on our Christmas is canceled. Unfortunately, sad but true.
Yeah, it's real sucks.
I know. So we hope you all are having a good time camping this weekend and over the holidays, and wishing you all a wonderful holiday. Our camping trip actually got a little postponed. We needed a part for
An axle.
For an RV, and the wrong one came in. And unfortunately, it's going to take some time for the correct one to come in now with the holiday and everything like that. So sometimes it happens. These things happen. You know, we've taken a lot of trips this year. We've really used the RV a lot this year. So, you know, unfortunately, repairs and maintenance come with it.
Yes, and we always knew there was something wrong with that axle, and I guess the people we bought it from did not tell us that they must have hit a curb. And it wore out our tires extremely fast, but now we found the problem.
Yeah, so now we also need another new tire because that tire is worn again. But anyways, so that's kind of the gist of it. We were supposed to be in St. Augustine, seeing the lights, seeing the trees, and just having a nice, relaxing holiday weekend, which we're going to do here at our home and enjoy the Florida weather. So not the worst thing in the world.
No.
But we hope you all have a great holiday and happy camping.
Merry Christmas.